Long hair has its own charm. That's why many women are trying to find ways to make their hair grow longer in a healthy way. Hair grows from a root at the bottom of a follicle under your skin. The blood in your scalp goes to the follicle and supplies oxygen and nutrients to the hair root, which helps your hair grow. As your hair grows, it will push through your skin and pass by an oil gland. It is the oil from this gland that makes your hair shiny and soft. What if we tell you there are natural homemade recipes that can grow your hair in 3 weeks? So let's see what are the magical natural home remedies that will make your hair longer in this short time period. Let's get started. First remedy we have is green tea. Green tea helps to grow your hair very fast. It works as an antioxidant agent and thus it works in making your hair grow longer. Boil some water with choice of your green tea leaves. Wait for the green tea to cool down. Once it's a bit cooler, pour the green tea on your hair. Leave it on for an hour and then wash it off with your regular shampoo. Another effective remedy we have is eggs. Eggs can grow your hair in weeks. This recipe is not every woman's favorite. In fact, it is hated for the smell. But eggs are the most effective when it comes to hair growth. Eggs are full of protein which induce hair growth like crazy. Eggs also contains iron, zinc, phosphor and iodine. Crack one egg in a bowl and then add a little bit of olive oil or lavender oil or any other oil that you prefer and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix the ingredients well and apply it to your hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash your hair with cold water and shampoo. Use this remedy once a week. Final remedy we have is avocado and banana mask. Avocado is perfect for the hair in so many ways. A simple avocado mask can prevent dry and frizzy hair as it is rich in omega-3 amino acids and vitamins A, D, E and B6. It helps to promote your hair growth. It has a natural ability to fight free radicals which ensures a healthy scalp. A hair mask containing avocado will prevent dandruff and irritation to the scalp while also making hair bouncier and silkier. This hair mask is rich in vitamin E, which helps moisturize your hair and make it thicker. The potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates and vitamins in bananas help soften and protect your hair from breakage. To make the mask, mash together 1 medium-sized rib avocado and 1 small rib banana. Add 1 tablespoon each of olive oil and wheat germ oil to this paste. Gently massage this mix into your hair, covering the roots and tips. After 30 minutes, rinse with cold water and shampoo. You are going to love these remedies.